got you guys sitting in the dashboard, so there might be a little shakiness, but I'm hopping on the highway because I'm just about 10 miles up. It's a small town in between, and they have a new Goodwill about 5 years ago, and I'm hoping they won't be quite as busy. So I'm just not feeling totally comfortable yet. So anyways, I'm gonna take you guys off the dashboard, and I'll see you when we get there, okay? So we are here, and like I said, let me zoom in. Like I said, this is like just a little tiny subdivision or suburb or whatever. It's not even big enough to be a suburb, like between here and going to Denver, just at the end of the Air Force Academy. You can see there's like a few subdivisions, but it's pretty sparse. And they have a brand new Goodwill in the lodge style, which is very common here in Colorado for things to be in that lodge style. So and yes, there's only maybe 18 cars, so yay. So I'm gonna find a place to park, put on my mask, and go in. I'll see you guys in a little bit. So one of the reasons that I also like to take the little, 10-minute drive, whatever, besides it's nice, it feels like you're getting out of town, but I'm really not. So I'm not very far from home, actually, is because this Goodwill still has jewelry cases. So hardly any of them do. So we'll take some time to look through the jewelry, and I see some jewelry bags. The jewelry bag is $50. Yeah, you guys know the Goodwill jewelry bags are a little pricier. But we will be looking through all this jewelry, and I will let you guys know if I find anything interesting. I see enough already that I'll be pulling pieces out, I can tell you that. Yes, I'll be pulling some pieces out of here. Prices look good. So I'll see you guys in a little bit, and I'll show you what I pull out, okay? It's going to be quite a few, I can tell. Okay, so I pulled several pieces out of there after all. I'm going to go ahead and pay for it now so I don't have to worry about it and then finish shopping. So I'll show you guys later. This piece here is for me, of course. I'm super tempted to get this. I don't do clowns, but look, have you ever seen one that was definitively a lady? Right? So, what's that say? Julian, $4.99. I'm really tempted to get that one, you guys. Stuff on the top of the rounders is for sale. And a lot of times nobody realizes it, and it makes it to the half price sale. So I'm just checking the tops of the rounders in the men's department. I'll take a quick glance at shirts just to see if I see anything like a good fabric, right? See if there's any like Robert Graham or a really cool Western shirt, especially vintage, all embroidered, right? And since I'm not in a hurry today, I'm just really trying to have some fun and get out of the house, and they're not busy, I will probably go through the men's t-shirts, just the large and extra large real quick, see if there's anything vintage, any kind of cool concert. I'll just breeze through them, see if there's anything cool, right? You never know. So okay, checking the end caps. I think these are genuinely old. $3.99. Let's put these in the cart. It's hard to tell if those are genuinely old or not. I think that's it for here. I'm just going by furniture. And I thought you guys might get a kick out of this preciousness. They only want $30 for it. Look, it's like you could make it for a dog or something. Oh my gosh. Okay, hi you guys. So, they're gonna close soon. I got a late start because I wasn't sure if I wanted to go out. Plus I had to do shipping, and then I did, Lindy's Motivation Monday. So I have put a couple things in here. I'm pretty sure this is a Murano, and it's half or 30% off. I'm gonna get that. Some cute things. Oh, for myself, a rainbow dash mug for myself. So I'm probably gonna have to show you this, guys, show you this stuff later, okay? I want to still breeze through clothing, but I did buy $50 worth of jewelry. I think I have some good items in here. This crazy thing, if you have children, you know why I'm getting this. I don't even know how I know about it, but I really need to kind of get breezing through, okay, or I'm going to run out of time. So I hope you guys don't mind that you really didn't get to look at everything. But look through here real quick without you guys. There was nothing that I really felt like had resale value, okay? So, you guys, I might pop in if I can, if I see some cool stuff to show you. I'm still going to go into the antique area, which is in there, and then breeze through clothing before I run out of time. I have to breeze through clothing. I still love clothing. There is still money to be made on clothing. Okay, you guys, I'll see you in a minute if I can, if I find something cool. Otherwise, we'll do this at the haul video, okay? What else I buy. Okay, well, I did breeze through clothing and I bought a few pieces. A couple for resale, a couple for myself. Didn't find anything else on the rounders to add to that. But as I'm headed out, because they're getting ready to close, they must have just put this out. I don't know, because, no. You know why? Because this is on sale half price. So I think I want this. I know it's just modern, but this one I like this added touch, and I'm going to do something to get that glitter off. I like that box. We're going to get that. And I think we're going to take one more cruise through glassware. Well, I was going to go into the coffee bar and look up a few things, but they've got that shut down, which I understand. Once I thought about it, it made sense as to why. But anyways, I saw this on the way. I would get this if it was cheaper. It's $20, but I like velvet paintings. I've done well with velvet paintings, and I like this, like a little Mexican villa or something in a church. That's really nicely done too. The colors are good, huh? But 20's a little much. Okay, I guess I'll just stand here and do this. The book section usually has tables in it, and then the coffee bar, but of course I can understand. Okay, you guys, for real this time. Yep. There it is, closing in 15 minutes. All right, you guys. I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.